a young baker in the house and she has spent a week. So I want her to tell you how her experience has been at Fidi Bakery Workshop. Over to you.
Experience has been a lot. I've come here to learn different skills. During the past week, I learned something new, different, which I could use at home to make different type of pastries for birthdays and other special occasions. Last week, I learned how to make waffles and pancake so we can use it for breakfast at home. I learned how to make crock buns. Also made churros. It was it was fun and interesting. Like we use the cooking, we use the frying, we use the mixing, we use the measuring. We use different tools like the measuring cup, the measuring spoon, scraper, spatula, and so on.
That's a wrap. Thank you so much. And roll it out very well.